Today I'll be explaining how to build and understand 1-bromo-4-methyl-pentatunone. The structure itself has 19 sigma bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest of them are from the hydrogen bonds. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This double bond right here is called a pi bond, which consists of 2 sigma bonds. The hybridization, there are 5 sp3, this carbon, this carbon, this one, and this one, all because they are connected to sigma bonds. This carbon right here is sp2 because it's connected to a double bond. The Cas number for this molecule is 29585-02-2. The molecular formula is C6H11BRO. It has 1 degree of unsaturation because of this double bond, and the functional groups is a carbonyl, which consists of a ketone, and an alkyl halide, which is the alkyl bromide right here. The molecular weight is 179.05 grams per mole, with a melting point of -15.64 and a boiling point of 177.15. This means that it has a physical state of liquid at room temperature. Okay, so we're going to be building our 1-bromo-4-methyl-pentatunone. We're going to start with our first carbon that's right here, and I'm going to attach a bromine, which is this darkish red color. This is going to be our alkyl halide, which is our alkyl bromide. Then I am going to connect another carbon. Just go ahead and connect all of our carbons all across. And then on this fourth carbon right here, I want to add another carbon to make our methyl group. And going back to this second carbon, I'm going to add a oxygen, but I'm going to add a pi bond to it using these 2 sigma bonds. There you go. There we go. Alright. Now I'm going to add all my hydrogens. So on this first carbon, there's going to be 1, 2, which makes it a CP3 or sp3 hybridized. On the second one, I don't have any hydrogens, so that makes it an sp2 hybridized. On the third one, I'm adding one more hydrogen to this fourth one because it's still sp3 because it's just connected to sigma bonds. And then on this methyl group, I'm adding 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. And then on this other one carbon, on this pentanone, 1, 2, 3. And there we go, our molecule. Now, if we count our structure, we should have 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 bromo right here, and 1 oxygen right here. We should have 11 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now, since we have confirmed that this is our molecule, this is what it looks like in 3D space.